Okay, coming back to the next section. So today we are discussing the upflow anaerobic sludge blanket reactors, UASBR. The UASB is today the cheapest method of municipal sewage treatment with almost low power requirement and low land requirement. UASBR is essentially suspended growth anaerobic reactor. This system is based on the development of a dense active sludge mass called sludge blanket. So this is the first paragraph of that written note. We have already learned different type of units: trickling filter, activated sludge process, then oxidation pond, oxidation ditch, aerated lagoon, etc. Is it? Now out of this, trickling filter, activated sludge process, then the oxidation ditch, all these three are purely aerobic in nature, is it? The first one, that is trickling filter, is attached growth process, but it is aerobic. The second one, activated sludge process, it is suspended growth process, again it is aerobic. And the oxidation ditch, that is aerobic and it is suspended growth process, but it is a earthen pond. Sorry, earthen ditch, is it? It's an earthen channel. Now coming to the next one, that is oxidation pond and aerated lagoon. There we have seen that both are suspended growth process, but it is not purely aerobic or not purely anaerobic. Aerated lagoon is purely or almost anaerobic, and the oxidation pond, that is somewhat facultative, and aerated lagoon is also somewhat facultative. It's not fully aerobic or it's not fully anaerobic. That means there is a middle layer where the facultative bacteria is there, and the top layer it is aerobic and oxygen is acquiring from the atmosphere, and as well as in the case of aerated lagoon we are aerating, sufficient aeration is provided, but at the same time in the aerated lagoon we learn that the suspended biomass is aerated to a certain limit, then it's allowing to settle there in the same lagoon itself, is it? So that's why it is having a large depth, that means almost 4.5 to 5 meters of depth is there. So in the bottom layer the anaerobic bacteria is reacting, is it? Now here coming to the UASBR, it is again a suspended growth process. It is not attached, but it is anaerobic in nature, fully anaerobic in nature. So that is the first paragraph written. And then what is the essential component of this UASBR? That is a sludge mass called sludge blanket. The sludge blanket or sludge mass. So the blanket, we know what is the blanket. It means we know that it is a covering, is it? It's a covering and it's a thick one, is it? Here also it is a thick one, a sludge mass. It is formed by the biomass only, and that is developed within the reactor. That is developed within the reactor. That is the written there. Now coming to the drawing or the sketch given in the note, that is the last page, we will learn what is the process actually. To just look at the picture, the sketch I have given. So here we can see that it's a container. So this container is of little bit of large depth is there, and then here we can see that at the bottom there is a inlet, there is a